Welcome to our video on 10 facts about the environmental impact of rare earth mining. In this presentation, we will explore the often overlooked consequences of extracting rare earth elements, vital materials for technology, renewable energy, and countless consumer products. From the extraction process and its extensive environmental concerns to the health risks faced by local communities, we'll uncover how these essential resources come at a significant ecological cost. Join us as we dive deep into the hidden demand for rare earth elements and the urgent need for sustainable mining practices. 1. The hidden demand for rare earth elements. Rare earth elements, REES, might sound like something out of a sci-fi novel, but they are very much a part of our everyday lives. These elements are essential in many high-tech gadgets, from smartphones to electric cars. As our dependence on technology grows, so does the demand for these crucial materials. But what many people don't realize is that extracting these elements has significant environmental consequences. The process is both energy-intensive and polluting, raising questions about sustainability. Understanding this demand is the first step in addressing the broader environmental issues. 2. What are rare earth elements? Rare earth elements consist of 17 metallic elements, including the likes of neodymium and lanthanum, which are crucial in manufacturing. These elements are not particularly rare in the Earth's crust but are seldom found in concentrated forms, making their extraction challenging. They are prized for their unique magnetic, luminescent, and electrochemical properties. These characteristics make them indispensable in various sectors, from renewable energy to defense. However, their extraction and refinement process is anything but simple, often resulting in significant ecological harm. 3. The extraction process and environmental concerns. Mining for rare earth elements is a complex process that involves several stages. From mining to refining, each step can have detrimental effects on the environment. The initial mining phase often involves open-pit methods, which can lead to soil erosion and habitat destruction. The refinement process is equally concerning, as it requires the use of toxic chemicals that can leach into the surrounding environment. Furthermore, the entire process is highly water-intensive, putting additional strain on local water resources. These factors contribute to a significant environmental footprint. 4. Water pollution and its consequences. One of the most alarming environmental impacts of rare earth mining is water pollution. The chemicals used in the extraction and refinement processes can contaminate local water bodies. This pollution affects aquatic life and poses health risks to local communities. Contaminated water can lead to severe ecological damage, disrupting ecosystems and endangering species. The long-term effects can be devastating, with polluted water sources remaining unusable for decades. Addressing this issue is critical for both environmental and public health. 5. Air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. The extraction of rare earth elements is not only water-intensive but also a significant source of air pollution. The process releases various pollutants into the atmosphere, including greenhouse gases. These emissions contribute to climate change, exacerbating global warming. The air pollution from mining operations can also affect human health, causing respiratory problems and other illnesses. Reducing emissions from rare earth mining is essential for mitigating these adverse effects on the climate and public health. 6. Radioactive byproducts and their risks. Rare earth mining can also produce radioactive byproducts, posing additional environmental and health risks. These byproducts can contaminate soil and water, leading to long-term ecological damage. Exposure to radioactive materials can have severe health consequences, including an increased risk of cancer. Managing these byproducts is a significant challenge, requiring strict safety and environmental regulations. The presence of radioactive materials adds another layer of complexity to the environmental impact of rare earth mining. 7. Soil degradation and habitat destruction. The open-pit mining methods used for extracting rare earth elements can lead to soil degradation and habitat destruction. The removal of topsoil and vegetation disrupts ecosystems, leading to loss of biodiversity. This destruction can have cascading effects, impacting local wildlife and plant species. Soil degradation also reduces the land's ability to support agriculture, affecting local food production. Restoring these damaged ecosystems is a slow and challenging process, requiring long-term commitment and resources. 8. Health impacts on local communities. The environmental impacts of rare earth mining extend to human health, particularly for communities near mining sites. Exposure to pollutants from mining operations can cause respiratory issues, skin conditions, and other health problems. Water contamination can lead to serious illnesses, affecting both humans and animals. The social and economic implications can be equally severe, with communities facing loss of livelihoods and displacement. Addressing these health impacts is crucial for improving the quality of life for affected populations. 9. The energy-intensive nature of mining. Mining for rare earth elements is an energy-intensive process, contributing to its environmental impact. The extraction and refinement processes require significant amounts of energy, often sourced from fossil fuels. This high energy consumption leads to increased greenhouse gas emissions, further contributing to climate change. Finding more energy-efficient methods and alternative energy sources is essential for reducing the environmental footprint of rare earth mining. Efforts to improve energy efficiency can help mitigate some of the adverse effects associated with this industry. 10. Steps towards sustainable mining practices. Addressing the environmental impact of rare earth mining requires a shift towards more sustainable practices. This includes developing cleaner extraction and refinement methods and implementing stricter environmental regulations. Recycling rare earth elements from electronic waste is another promising approach, reducing the need for new mining operations. Collaboration between industries, governments, and environmental organizations is crucial for driving change. By adopting these sustainable practices, we can minimize the environmental footprint of rare earth mining and move towards a more sustainable future.